So hello all, in this video we are going to discuss about this chapter 6 lines and angles, class 9th. So chapter 5 it has been deleted from this like CBSE has deleted this chapter 5 from the syllabus due to this pandemic effect. So chapter 5 Euclid's axioms and this postulates, so that has been deleted. So let's move on directly to chapter 6 now. So no portion is deleted from this chapter. So chapter 6 lines and angles. So suppose like we all know some like few things we should know before going for this exercise. So like first thing is, suppose this is a line, right, and this line intersects this line, right? So let's say this is A, B, C, D, right? So few things I would like to tell you. Firstly, this, if this is O, so these two angles are equal. Why? So angle AOC is equal to angle BOD. Secondly, these two angles are also equal, right? Angle COB is equal to angle DOA. The reason being these two angles are vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. So sometimes it may be asked in the exam. So prove that vertically opposite angles are equal. So how we can prove it? So let's say now we have to follow three steps. Firstly, we have to show what are the things given to us. So given is AB and CD are two lines intersecting at O. So these two lines are intersecting at O. Simple. Secondly, to prove, so what we have to prove, angle AOD is equal to angle BOC and angle AOC is equal to angle BOD, right? So this we need to prove. Now we can start with proof. So now we know that the sum of these two angles will be 180, because this is a straight line and the sum of two angles on a straight line, sum of all the angles on a straight line is 180. So by linear pair we can say this is what we call linear pair. Why? Because it is lying on line linear goes with this line. So by linear pair we can say angle AOC is equal to angle angle AOC plus angle BOC is equal to 180 degree. Reason, linear pair. Second, we have angle this AOD. Similarly, this sum of these two angles is also 180. So AOD plus angle BOD is again 180 degree, right? Reason being the same. Now if we add both the values, so let's add both the values. So add both the equations, first equation, second equation. So equation 1 plus 2. So if we add these two equations, what do we have? So AOC plus BOC plus AOD plus angle BOD is equal to 180 degree, right? Or 180 plus 180, right? So AOD plus, okay, we can from here we can say, if we compare these two, this LHS is equal to RHS, so we can also say angle AOC plus angle BOC is equal to angle AOD plus angle BOD, right? Angle AOC plus angle BOC is equal to angle AOD plus angle BOD, right? From these two, because equation 1 is equal to equation 2, because this is also equal to 180, this is also equal to 180, so we have compared. Now if we substitute this value into it, right? So if we substitute this value, if we compare these two equations, that means what? Angle AOC is equal to angle BOD, right? angle AOC is equal to angle BOD. How? See, what we have done so far, this angle AOD plus angle BOD is equal to 180, right? If you want to forget this, forget this. This is of no use to us. See, angle AOC plus angle BOC is 180. Angle AOC plus angle AOD is also 180. AOC plus angle AOD is also 180 degree, right? Let that be second equation, this be first equation, and this be third equation. It is of no use. So AOC plus BOC is 180. AOC plus AOD is also 180 because this is also a straight line. So see, if we compare these two values, these two equations 1 and 2, so AOC plus BOC is equal to AOC plus AOD. AOC, right? So from AOC to AOC get cancelled. So what do we have now? Angle BOC is equal to angle AOD. BOC is equal to AOD. That means vertically opposite angles are equal. Hence proved. Or similarly, we can say this is similarly. Like you can write down completely. Similarly, we can say angle AOC is equal to angle BOD. So what we have done in this, simple, just add these two angles, it will be equal to 180. Add these two angles, it will also be equal to 180. On comparison, just cancel out the same angle. So this angle will be equal to this angle clearly. So this is what vertically opposite angles are equal. Sometimes this may also be asked that prove that the angles formed on a straight line, the sum of angles like on a straight line is 180 degree. So that also we can do. The angles formed on a straight line is 180 degree. This is an axiom, so we can directly use it also. Angle sum of all the angles on a straight line at a point is 180. So the sum of all three angles will be equal to 180 degree. So let's begin with this exercise. So exercise 6.1 now. So this is all we have used. And one more thing, suppose if we have this line, right? So angles are A, B, C, D, E. So firstly we should know if what is like angles formed on a sum of angles on a straight line. So sum of angles on a straight line is 180 and sum of all the angles is equal to 360 degree, right? So these things we should know, right? So I hope it is clear. Now let's begin with this exercise 6.1. So in question number first, so firstly drawing figure is important. It is an important part of the question. So first draw the figure from the textbook. This is given, right? So this is A, O, and this one is B, this is C, this is O, this is D, and this one is E. So we have this E, right? So now what is given to us? So given, write down given value. These lines intersect at O. Angle AOC plus angle BOE is equal to 70 degree and angle BOD is equal to 40 degree, right? So we have to find, so write down to find, whatever you have to determine, just write down to find. So we have to find out angle BOE plus reflex angle and reflex angle COE. So whenever you see this reflex angle, just reflex angles means the value of COE should be in between 180 and 360. So how can you find out this reflex angle COE? It simply means subtract this COE from 360 degree. It simply means subtract that same angle from 360 degree, right? So that we'll do. So solution now. So these three things you have to write down: given, to find, solution, and this figure. Four things you have to. It is compulsory for a question of geometry. We are going to attempt it. So we have to follow the procedure: given, to find or to prove, solution or proof, and this figure, right? So AOC plus BO is AOC, this angle, plus BOE, this angle, is equal to 70 degree. So we know that angle AOC plus angle COE plus angle BOE will be equal to 180 degree. Why? the angles formed on a straight line is always equal to 180 degree. So we can say angles on a straight line, right? Reason. So we have written the reason also. So AOC plus BOE is given, it is 70 degree, 70 degree plus angle COE is equal to 180 degree. So angle COE will be equal to 180 minus 70, which is 110 degree, right? So angle COE is 110. This we have got the value 110. Now we have to determine BOE. So BOE is this one, right? So we have to determine this angle. Now what do we have? We know that this angle will be equal to this one, right? Vertically opposite angle, right? So this angle will be equal to this one. So we can write here COE we have determined. So reflex of COE will be equal to, let's solve it. COE is equal to 360 minus COE. So which will be equal to 360 minus 110. So which is equal to 250 degree. So this value we have got. Secondly, we have to find out angle BOE. So now we know that the sum of all three angles this on this CD line, so will also be equal to 180 degree. So we can say angle COE plus angle BOE plus angle BOD is also 180. Reason being the same, angles on a straight line, right? So COE is, we have determined COE is 110 plus BOE we have to determine, and BOD it is given, it is 40 degree. So put 40 degree is equal to 180. So see, these questions are very easy. Most of the things are given to us. We need to understand which thing we have to apply. Simply we are applying this angle, sum of angles on a straight line. So 110 plus 40 is 150 plus angle BOE is equal to 180. So angle BOE is equal to 180 minus 150, which is equal to 30 degree. So 30 degree is the answer. So these two things we have determined. So in this way we are going to do the questions. So this is all for this video. In the next video we will solve further questions. So I hope it is clear to you. So listen to the audio carefully, and if there is any doubt you can simply ask me by writing it in the comment box, or you can simply ask me through WhatsApp also. So thank you. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye. Take care.